Tell me. $36.8 into 10. Aaron, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 368.0.
Yeah, 368, but this will shift to the right side, isn't it? 368.0. Okay. Next question, 168.0 into 10. Tell me, Safwan,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
tell me the answer?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
16. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Can I say, ma'am?
No, I have asked Safwan.
80.7.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 68.
1608.7.
68.
Hmm. It is 168, no?
Yes, ma'am. 168.07.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Into
0
10.
middle.
16807. Where does the decimal point come?
0 and 7's middle.
Very good, very good. So it only 1 0, so it will shift to one place. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. The next one, 156.156.1 into 100. 156.1 into 100. Okay, Pranav Rajiv, can you speak out? Pranav, hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the answer.
15610.6.
156. 156.
10.
1. Okay, the
10.
decimal point for 1 0, the decimal point moved to one place. Okay, then
10.0.
1561, then
1/6 place.
Then 0, ma'am.
0. Pranav, see, others keep quiet. I'm asking Pranav. Okay, Pranav, answer it. 15610. I wrote. Is it correct? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then comes the decimal point, isn't it? Then comes the decimal point. Then you can put a 0. Why we took that 0 extra? Because here only one
there is
is,
one,
only one place is there.
There
Okay.
are 2 zeros.
Very good, very good. Now next one. Next question. 3.62. 3.62 into 100. Ashinanda, you are late. 3.62 into 100. Okay. I want next person. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay. Irene, answer it. Irene.
362.
Let others keep quiet. Others keep quiet. Irene, tell me.
362.00.
362.0. 1 0 is enough because we have shifted the decimal point to 1 2, isn't it? Because of 2 zeros. 100. Clear, children? So I hope this this topic is clear. Shall we pass on to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Which is the next topic?
Okay.
Not decimal
Okay.
number.
Yes. Shreya? Yes, you were present when I was teaching this on Saturday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you all understood this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we can pass on to the next topic, multiplication of decimal into another decimal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So next topic is multiplication. Multiplication of a decimal by another decimal. Write down the heading. Okay. Multiplication of a decimal by another decimal. So children, I'll first explain what is the fact. After that, I'll tell you how to multiply it easily, the easy method. Okay. First question, 2.5 into 0.3 it is. See, both decimals we have to multiply now. We have to multiply both decimals. Tell me, what is 2.5? How will you write this as a fraction?
6.15.
No, no, wait, don't say that.
5 by 5.
25 by 25 by 2.5. 25 by what?
5 by 3.
By 3. Wait, no, I'm asking how will you write 2.5 in decimal in fraction form?
25 by 5.
25
By
25 by 5.
by 25 by 5 is 5. 2.5, how will you write it?
Ma'am, 10.
By 10. Yes, 25 by 10.
10.
Okay, so like into what is 0.3? 3 by
3 by 10.
10. Okay, very good. So actually for here, it is fraction multiplication of a fraction by a fraction, isn't it? So
Yes.
25 into 3 by 10 into 10. This is what we have to do, correct?
75 by 100.
Very good. 75 by 100 we will get. That is actually 0.75. Okay, this is the answer which you get when you do it like a fraction. But it requires a lot of process, isn't it? We should know many things. We have to do
Yes, ma'am.
many calculations. But instead of that, there is an easy method for finding the answer directly. Understood, children? It may
Yes,
not
ma'am.
be in your text, but
7.5, ma'am.
yes.
Answer is
25.
No.
0.75.
0.75. 0.75. I'll tell you how. Okay. I'll tell you how. It's very easy. Okay. So I'm rubbing this. Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
Everything will be 0.5.
No, it depends on the number of decimal places. Okay. Listen carefully. This is the easy method to do it. You need not do with fractions. Okay. So multiplication of a decimal by another decimal. Listen. See, first step is simply multiply the decimal as whole numbers. Okay. So what is the whole number here? Simply without decimal. Multiply it without decimal. So we will multiply 25 and 3. Clear? What did I
Yes, ma'am.
say? Take it as normal number or whole number. Okay, without decimal places. Multiply without decimal places. What is the answer we get?
75.
75. It is 75. We know that. Now listen carefully. Count the number of decimal places. What do you mean by decimal places, children? The digits, number of digits after the decimal point. Okay, that is called decimal place. That means here, how many decimal places are there?
1.
1.
2.
Okay, listen carefully. Now, here, how many decimal places are there?
1.
So, in the question, Alan Siju, listen here. Alan. So, see this, children. So, 1 plus 1. How many total decimal places is?
2.
2.
2, ma'am.
Clear. So, in the answer, that is in the product also, same decimal place should come. Okay? In the answer or in the product, the same decimal places should come. So, where should I put the point?
After 7.5. Ma'am.
Not after and before, you know. This is after, this is before.
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Before.
Before. Here. So 0.75, you got the answer easily, isn't it? Without any fractional multiplication and all. Clear?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Can you say?
After.
Put 0 also. So it is beautiful. Isn't it?
How it came?
Which one?
The point.
Point. I told you, listen carefully because
So we can put 0 now.
you can put 0 before. See, children, 25 into 3. I told this much you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I don't understand that point.
Point. Okay, listen. Here, I told you to count the decimal places in the question. Okay, how many decimal place? Decimal place
Two,
means
ma'am.
what?
2.
The number of digits after the decimal point is known as the decimal place.
Decimal place.
This is 1. Then here also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places should come in the answer or the product. Understood? So where should I put the decimal point or point?
Ma'am, after.
That
Before,
means-
before.
Ma'am,
Before, because what did I say? What did I say? The answer should contain how many decimal places?
2.
2 decimal places. 2
Oh.
decimal place means
Okay,
after the
ma'am.
decimal,
Okay, I understand.
after the decimal point, 2 decimal places should be there. That is the meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Understand, ma'am.
So it is 0.75. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Understand.
we'll take another one. Then I'll take another one. Children, 0.1. 0.1 into 51.7. Okay, 0.1 into 51.7. Tell me. So we will multiply same as whole numbers. Which one? What is the number to be?
1 by
Alan,
10.
Alan, what are you doing over there? You are not listening. You are not listening.
Ma'am, can I say the answer, ma'am?
No, don't shout out the answer. Aaron, you tell me what to do. Aaron,
Ma'am, we'll count both those numbers, whole numbers. ma'am.
whole numbers. And then what numbers will come?
We will get 1 and 517.
517. So what is its answer?
It will be
517.
517, ma'am.
Okay. Now count the decimal places. Okay.
Two, ma'am.
So 1, 2. 2 decimal places, isn't it? So
5.17.
very good.
Point.
So where should I put the decimal point?
5
Between
point.
17 and
Yes.
5. Between
Yes,
17
good.
and
So
5.
after the 5, isn't it? After 5, I have to place a decimal point so that after the decimal point, there are 2 decimal places. Is it clear? Okay. Now,
Yes.
another question I'll give you. You should answer me. I'm
Okay,
not
ma'am.
going to ask. Let me check who is getting the correct answer. 0.2 into never enters. 316.8. Tell me. Do it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Who is it?
63.36.
Is it Irene? Irene? Is it Irene? Then who is?
63.36, ma'am. 63.36.
Okay, let me see. Who is speaking? 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Who all got the answer? Raise your hand. Who all got the answer, children? Yes? Who all got the answer? Okay, very good. What is the answer you get?
63.36, ma'am.
Okay, Alisha, Alisha, what is your answer?
63.36.
Very good. 63.36. Okay, Rihan? Rihan S. Rafiq.
Yes, ma'am.
When did you come?
Ma'am, network issues.
No, when did you come to class?
Ma'am, 3, 2.
Okay, so we were there in the beginning, isn't it? Did you get the answer? Did you do the problem? Rihan?
Yes, ma'am. 3, 5.
Okay, what is the answer you get?
Ma'am, 3, 5 point.
3.5 point. I'm asking this question. 2 into 316.8. Nihal, find out. Rihan, do the problem and tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Nihal,
2 into.
Nihal,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me. Yes, what is the answer?
63.36.
Okay, all of you got? Okay, so let us see the answer, children. So we get Simply multiply as whole numbers. 2 into 3, 1, 6, 8. Isn't it? So what is 2 into 3,168? You will get 6,336. Okay, 6,336 is answer when you multiply it as whole numbers.
63
So listen. Now, those who have not understood, you can once again listen to me. 1, then 2 decimal places, isn't it? In the question, 1, this is 0.2, one place, 0.8 is other place, so 2 decimal places. So the final answer also should carry 2 decimal place. So where to put the decimal point? Here. So answer is 63.36. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So your period is still 3:40, no?
Yes, ma'am.
I have only some more time. So shall I take a, did you all understand how to do? I'll give you homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have one more class at
Yes.
4:55.
So, yes. So children, before that, you do question number 5 in your exercise. I'll tell you.
Ma'am, can you say, ma'am?
Okay. You write down then. Write down the questions. Only 3 or 4 questions are there. That also you finish. So
Are we
that,
going to show in the last class?
yes.
We have to say the answer. Yes, no?
Yes. 1.07. So you will get 1 hour, no? So before that you finish this. 101.01 into Lemin Joseph King. 1 point into 0.01. 11.2 into, write down this questions, children. 0.15. Okay. Then 100.01 into 1.1. Okay. Do it. Do it before next period. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now I'll take your attendance. So we'll take next topic in the next period. Multiplication, then division it comes. Write down fast, children.
I'm finished.
Okay, 11, 14, 09. Okay. Adi Tushar is present. Adi?
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay. Ahil Mohammed? Ahil?
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Ahil Mohammed? No sound. Aaron Somi was there. Abel Jofi was there. Yes. Abhaynath. I didn't see Abhaynath. Abhaynath is absent. Adus present. Alan Siju present. Alisha was there. Ashinanda was there. Badi was there. Fatima Nehrin was there. Irene was there. Ishak is absent. Lemin Joseph just entered now towards the end. I cannot mark present at all. Mohammad Fas. What about Lemin Joseph? Can you switch on your video? I have not seen your face till now. Lemin? No. There is no. Mohammad Fas? Not there. Mohammad Fas? Absent. Mohammad Safwan was there. Naim was there. Nihal Mustafa was there. Ausef Bachchan. Paul Hansel.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Everything is present.
Okay. Pranav Raji. Pranav Raji was there. Vedata. Riha Fatima was there. Riha. Not there. Rehan Dev.
Present, ma'am.
Rehan is
And I found all the answers.
ma'am.
I found all the answers.
Sebastian Armstrong, very rare he comes, huh?
Absent.
Where is he? Absent, no? Yes. Shreya Prajit?
Present, ma'am.
Hmm.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, present. So you can try this questions, children.
Ma'am, I solved all the problems, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also solved the problem. ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. So shall we discuss that also? 4 minutes are there. Hmm?
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
No, what about others? Others also finish it. How? Hmm? Children, do it now. 4 minutes more. No, 3 minutes more. Can you do it?
Can you share the screen?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say the phone?
Okay, who is it?
Ma'am, Iron.
Irene. Irene, tell me. Very good. It is 1 minute. 1.07 into 0.2, isn't it? 0.02. Yes. What is the answer you get?
0.0214.
No, I'm asking. Irene, tell me the answer. Irene, what answer you got?
Ma'am, 0.0214.
0.0214. Okay. So 7 into 107 into 2 you will do, isn't it? So you will get 214. Correct? See children here 107 into 2, isn't it? These are the whole numbers to be taken for multiplication, right? Then now what you will get 107 into 2, you will get 214. Okay, listen carefully. Here, you listen carefully. Entered Lemon Joseph, but no video. Wait, പോയി ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് എവിടെ പക്ഷെ നിങ്ങൾ വീഡിയോ കാണാം അപ്പോ ഇത് പ്രശ്നമില്ല ഇത് വീഡിയോ ഓൺ ചെയ്യാത്ത പ്രശ്നമാണ് ഓക്കെ ശരി ഇനി ഉടമ്പാണ്ട് അല്ലല്ല ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാനന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ല ടീച്ചേഴ്സിന് കാണാൻ പറ്റി നമ്മളെ ശരി ഇപ്പൊ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായി Okay, children. Okay, Lemon, then today onwards you have to attend the classes regularly. No, okay. Okay, children. So we can continue with this one question. Then I will stop because it is time. Listen, other students are entering. Okay, so we got this one answer 214. Okay. Now, how many decimal points? 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal points we have to take. Here, how many decimal points are there? Priyadatta, can you tell me how many decimal points are there? We can put only 2, 1, 4. Only 3 digits are there, isn't it? See the number 214. Then what we have to do? We need how many decimal points? 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal points. So what we do is we put a zero here and put decimal point here. So that we get 4 decimal places. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
When there is shortage, what we used to do while doing multiplication also, we used to put a 0, isn't it? According to the number of zeros in the multiplier. Same way, here, if there is any deficiency of decimal point, we put a 0 and then place the decimal point. Clear? Try other questions in the next class we can discuss. Bye children. All of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.